Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix when the sound from your earbuds shutters or intermittent. Firstly, put your headphones to the charging case and now close the case. After that, open it and check your earbuds. Maybe it fixed your problem. If it doesn't, let's check the software version. So open the application, scroll down and go to updates. Now it check and I have the last version, but if you haven't it, just install the new version. If it also didn't help you, I don't recommend it to touch this area around the camera, because it can be because of that. And I recommend it to go to the settings, connected devices, now click the settings icon near to your earbuds and disable this spatial audio. Maybe it also help you. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!